Bitcoin mining. The term might make you think of pickaxes, tunnels, or underground treasure hunters. But in reality, Bitcoin mining is entirely digital, a process running on computers all over the world. And behind it, there's a story about innovation, energy, and a vision for a new kind of money. Today, we're going to explore the backstory behind Bitcoin mining, why it exists, how it started, and why people are still doing it today. To understand Bitcoin mining, we need to start with Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, a mysterious figure who wanted to build a digital currency without banks. Here's the problem Satoshi faced. How do you make sure nobody spends the same digital coin twice? In the physical world, cash works because you physically hand it over. In the digital world, copying files is easy. Satoshi's solution? A decentralized ledger called the blockchain. But the blockchain needed a way to be verified and secure. That's where miners come in. Miners aren't digging for gold. They're solving complex math problems to validate transactions and secure the network. In the very beginning, mining Bitcoin was simple. Satoshi mined the first coins on his personal computer. People could mine using laptops at home, and you didn't need special equipment. Back then, mining was mostly about curiosity and experimentation. Early miners earned coins not for profit, but because they believed in the idea of a digital currency that no one controlled. It was a community of hobbyists, programmers, and visionaries testing this new concept. How does mining actually work? Imagine the blockchain as a giant ledger of transactions. Every time someone spends Bitcoin, it creates a page in this ledger called a block. Miners compete to solve a mathematical puzzle that allows them to add the block to the chain. The puzzle is extremely hard to solve, but easy to verify once solved. The first miner to solve it gets rewarded with new Bitcoin. This is called the block reward. And this reward is the incentive that keeps miners securing the network and verifying transactions. You might have heard that Bitcoin mining uses a lot of electricity. That's because these puzzles are intentionally computationally expensive. The logic is simple. Harder puzzles, harder to cheat. More computers working. More secure network, mining reward, mining incentive to invest in hardware. In the early days, a single laptop could mine. Today, miners use specialized machines called ASICs that are thousands of times faster. The more powerful your machine, the higher your chances of earning Bitcoin. As Bitcoin grew in popularity, mining became competitive. Miners formed pools, combining their computing power to increase chances of earning rewards. This is why you hear about mining farms, warehouses filled with ASIC machines, massive electricity use fans, and cooling systems humming 24/7. The backstory here is about competition and innovation. People were willing to invest big to participate in this new digital economy. Bitcoin is designed to have a limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. To prevent all coins from being mined too quickly, the network adjusts the difficulty of puzzles every 2 weeks. If miners are solving puzzles too fast, the system makes them harder. If miners are slow, the system makes it easier. This ensures Bitcoin is released steadily over time and keeps the system secure and predictable. Today, Bitcoin mining is a global industry. Countries with cheap electricity attract massive mining operations. Miners are investing millions into hardware and infrastructure. But the goal hasn't changed. Secure the network, verify transactions, earn rewards. And the future could bring even more innovation, like using renewable energy to make mining sustainable, or new ways to participate in mining without huge energy costs. So, the backstory of Bitcoin mining is really a story of vision, innovation, and incentive design. From Satoshi's laptop in 2009 to massive global mining farms today, mining has always been about keeping Bitcoin alive and trustworthy. It's more than computers solving puzzles. It's the backbone of a new kind of money that no single person or bank controls. And that's why, even years later, people are still captivated by Bitcoin mining. Thanks for watching, and stick around for more stories behind the technology shaping our world.